Okay, everybody, so today I'm going to share with you how to never miss news again. I'm going to show you the way that you can get alerts on your mobile phone at predetermined times before news hits, so that way you can exit trades or just to be aware of what's going on. So first of all, you want to come to my FX Books website and either sign up, and if you haven't signed up yet, you want to go ahead and register. I've already signed up. So it's free, doesn't cost you anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign in to mine. So bam, so now I'm signed in. You guys can see my name at the top here. All right, so what you wanna do first of all is you wanna come to the economic calendar, which you should already be on there. And then right here to the top right, you wanna hit this little filter button right here. So when you hit the filter button, it's gonna ask you right here, do you wanna be notified by email and live notifications of this news? And you can select a predetermined time. You can put 30 minutes if you want to put 10 minutes before news, if you want to put 45 minutes before news, whatever the case may be. I put 30 minutes so that way I have time to go in and get out of trades, but you can select whatever time you want, or you can even put hours before the news if you want to know an hour before the news is going to hit. And you can also determine what level of news as far as the impact goes. Do you want only high impact news? Do you want medium impact news and low? Vice versa, right? Then also you want to go ahead and filter it by whatever, right? I have all the major pairs, so the USD, GBP, Euro, Canadian, and Australian. If you want other ones, you can go ahead and click this, or if you want everything, just hit all. Once you get everything the way you want, you go ahead and click apply, and that would apply those settings to your account. Now the trick to getting notifications on your phone, so that way if you're away from your computer, is to go and download the app, which I'm going to show you how to do, and install the app, and then log into the same account that you have here. That way the app knows this is your account and it will send an alert to your phone. Your phone will notify you just like you receive text message notifications. You get those same pop-up alerts, right? My phone personally vibrates 3 times to let me know that my FX book is giving me a news warning. And then also if you're logged into the website on your computer, you'll get a little pop-up and a audible notification on your computer as well that will let you know, and it'll be in the bottom left corner. Some of us, depending on our trading styles, we don't necessarily pay attention to the news as far as our entries go, but we may want to go ahead and make sure we get out when there's news, because if we forget or don't know about news, then you can have a situation where the news spikes the price and it grabs your stop loss and then takes you out, or your stop profit, and that will suck. My advice: 30 minutes to an hour before news, go ahead and exit your trade unless you're comfortable with the risk with holding on to that trade. But that would be my advice. But that's a long and dirty, man. That's how you set up your alerts. Do me a favor, guys. Let me know in the comments, did you know about this particular feature of my FX book, and are you going to use it? Drop a comment below. Let me know. I'll see you guys on the next one.